BLACK+DECKER Lithium Flex 2AH hand vacuum you can count on long-lasting. Strong portable suction powered by a lightweight lithium battery. This vacuum allows you to quickly tackle cleanups high and low with compact power in your hand. Without lugging out your full-size vacuum, this unit can handle quick pickups on hard floors and carpet with plenty of suction from the high-performance motor 17 air watts. It easily reaches high, low, and tight spots thanks to the 4 feet flexible hose. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to an easy off-washable bowl and filters. And you can see in a glance when it's time to empty the translucent dirt bowl. With this vacuum, you can quickly defer upholstery with the rotating pet hairbrush, or thoroughly clean narrow spaces and tight corners with the crevice tool. Dirt stays in the vacuum, not in your home, thanks to thorough 3-stage filtering. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Handle quick pickups on hard floors and carpet with plenty of suction from the high-performance motor. Number 2. Included components: jack plug charger, 2-in-1 nozzle, flip-up brush, crevice tool, pet hairbrush, PVF 110 washable filter, washable plastic pre-filter, clip-on accessory caddy, power source, cordless, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is the crevice tool flexible or hard plastic? Answer: the crevice tool is hard plastic. Question number 2. Can it be used while plugged in? Answer: no, the vacuum cannot be used while plugged in. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.